concept of this ride is basically transforming passion in bringing positive social change. Whatever your passion is, transform it into through a social activity so that this will bring a positive change to the society and you also remain motivated to perform your passion over a period of time. So through this ride, my passion is riding and exploring, meeting people. I take it up this campaign like helmet. You know, like nowadays people are more wearing helmet to get rid of the challan or traffic police. They get rid of that, but that is not needed. We do not need a law for our own safety. So I am asking people to take a oath with me. Here also I will be asking people to take an oath with me कि हेलमेट हम पुलिस वालों से बचने के लिए नहीं, घर वालों से मिलने के लिए पहनेंगे. So we should wear helmet not to get rid of policemen, but to meet our family down the when we will back at home. Okay. So this is the mission I have taken up and travel so far all state, all union territory of India, including Lakshadweep, Andaman, and it's around 75,000 kilometers so far I have covered across India. Riding was my passion and I was riding since 2014 around. And I have seen many different type of road mishap happening here and there. And when I tried analyzing all those things, so whatever the government is doing is fine. But at the end of the day, for our own safety, most of the people are not wearing helmet. That is why the suffering is happening. So हाथ टूट जाएगा बदल सकते हो, पैर टूट जाएगा बदल सकते हो, बट सर में अगर चोट लगती है, it is unchangeable or you cannot change it. So that is why helmet awareness is must. At least when you are getting out of your home to the road with a motorcycle, please wear a good helmet.
Thank you. All the best for the future.
हेलमेट हम पुलिस वालों से बचने के लिए नहीं, घर वालों से मिलने के लिए पहनेंगे. See you on the road.